guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Thursday, and also today marks 2 years since my aunt passed away. It's been kind of weird how it's been only 2 years already. Time flies. Once I will clean that up in a second. So I'm gonna do a painting. It's been a while since I painted, so let's put the trash over here because I'm gonna clean my room after this and donate some stuff. So, all right, I'm gonna show you guys how to make a sunset on a canvas. I got paper towel. You're gonna be like, what's that for? Well, that's the idea. Let's make a pretty sunset. So you can use any colors you want. I got like a whole bunch. So let's just take some of these wooden stuff out. And then use that paintbrush maybe. So you can use any color you want. But for me, I'm trying to find pink. There we go, pink. Okay, so you can do like a dab, like this. And it's raining. I don't like rain. Just depressing. Anyways, you can do that, and then I'm gonna add some other colors here. Right now I'm feeding Izzy, so she might come in my room. She always looks at me like, can I eat? It's like, yeah girl, if you're hungry, eat. Not a jug then. Let's see. Is this the purple I wanted? I can't remember. I have so many paints that I need to use. I love to paint. It's my favorite thing to do. So let's do this. Let's do this. I don't know if this is gonna work. Okay. Dip my finger in there because I need to get some paint. You will see what I'm gonna use with a paper towel here in a second, you guys. I should got 2 paper towels instead of 1. It's okay, I'll just wipe my finger on that. It should dry. And then the last color can be anything you want. Let's use this color right here. It's like light blue. I got paint on me. Oops. That shot out like really fast. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing with this. You guys are going to be impressed here. Alright. Got paint all over me, but that's okay. And I just took a shower. I'm a messy person right now. Got paint on me. Okay, see? This is what you do. Make this into like a pretty sunset. Just wipe all the paint off like this. And make it a pretty sunset like this with the paper towel. Kind of like a cool way of making a sunset. And then see how beautiful that looks. And then we're gonna do some more here, right here, get the edges. I gotta be careful. And then I am going to paint this. Izzy's coming up, hold on. As I was saying, I am going to paint the sun on this canvas, but let me do this a little bit more. Hi Izzy, come here if you want to see. No, be careful, careful. I don't want you to get paint on you. She knows what paint is. She's pretty good about that. And then we're gonna use a paintbrush. I know I have a small one here, but what's this. Where's the paintbrush I had? There we go. Yeah, she's kind of smart when it comes to paint. I don't want her to get paint on her nose because that would be weird and not good for her. Make sure this is beautiful. Alright, it is beautiful. So let's paint the sun. Wait, should I use orange or yellow? I think it's okay. Yellow's fine. It's alright. This is hard to do. So this is a sunset, and this is going to be the sun, and then we're going to make it a sunset on the lake. That's what I am painting, you guys. After this, I'm going to go through some stuff because I have a lot of stuff I'm going to donate. So most of you guys saw my recent short video of my grandma's teddy bear. Why are you giving it away? Why? If you kind of see my room, I have a lot. And donating will make me happy because it will make one kid happy. And so on. I don't need all this stuff. I'm grateful for what I have. I really am. It's hard to donate, but it will make you feel good inside. Because you're doing the right thing to make one kid happy. Because what if the mom wanted a teddy bear for their son or daughter for their first birthday? Yeah, it's hard, but that teddy bear took up so much room in my room. I mean, I don't want to give it away, but it's kind of too late. But it'll make someone happy. It made me happy all these years. And I'm sure my grandpa would be proud because my grandpa is with her in heaven. And it's not easy to donate, but once you do it, it'll be okay. And you'll get the hang of it. It's just sad that I have to do it, but it's going to be okay because donating will make you feel good, like I said. It's not easy. If it was, anybody could do it, trust me. And I got paint on my hands. Okay, let's do this. And then we're gonna use blue next, you guys. And it's okay if you add some yellow too. I know this is not a good sunset painting, but I thought this was a good idea to do something like this. And then here's blue. But life goes on. You can't keep everything you have because I have a lot of stuff. And I'm not going to lie, maybe that's part of the reason why I feel crowded at times in my room and depressed. Like, if I get rid of some stuff, it will be good for me. And again, it will make one kid happy, like my mom said. And you know what? She's right. I am thankful for what I have over the years, but it's okay. It's gonna just pay off because I don't need this stuff. I really don't. Donating is okay. And just think, you'll feel much better. And I know it's hard to donate. It's hard to give up the stuff that you love, but it'll just make someone happy. You can't just keep stuff and not use it. I mean, it's kind of silly. That's just a waste of money. But yeah. Alright. I'm almost done. It's hard to paint because my hands are sticking out because of the paint. But you guys have a wonderful day, and this is pretty much it for today's video. And, you know, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And peace out until the next time. Thank you.